Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted a Ghost 2 on a brand new 2020 Kia Sportage. How the system works is every time you leave the vehicle, the system will arm itself. When you come back to the vehicle, just turn on the ignition like so. Insert a push sequence. On this we've used something very simple. So on here we've done 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. The full beam light will flash twice to tell us the code is correct. Put your foot on the brake and start the vehicle. Really straightforward. When you then turn it off, leave it for about 5 seconds. If you then try and start it, it won't start. Also, this has the facility that if someone was to see the code, you could change the code very easy. The way you do that is ignition on, main ignition on, insert your push sequence, so 1, 2, 3, 4, get a double flash, then put your foot all the way down on the accelerator and repeat the same code. 1, 2, 3, 4 down. Full beam will start to flash. When it begins to flash, you are now in learn mode. So if you now take your foot off the accelerator and select a sequence of buttons on here, you've got the option of these 4 buttons here, a couple of buttons in the center console and the AC button. I'm actually going to do something very simple. So I'm going to select this one. Every time I hit this button, it will give me a flash to say I can use it. If I then hit it 4 times up to 21 times, if I then pause, it will give me 3 flashes to confirm it's accepted the code, and then I need to repeat the code. So I'm going to do it now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 flashes, then repeat the same code again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 flashes. This is now learned. If I now turn off the ignition and then try obviously the old code, 1, 2, 3, 4, you see it didn't work. So if I now turn off the ignition, turn the main ignition back on, insert the new code, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash and start my vehicle. There you go. Also, when you take the car for a service, you can put it into valet mode or take it to a car wash, so you don't have to disclose the code. And the way you do this is simple again. So as you always do, main ignition on, insert your code, 1, 2, 3, 4, get your double flash, and then followed by the AC button. If you hit that 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you watch the full beam, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is now in valet mode. So basically you can start the vehicle as many times as you want. The only time it will come out of valet mode is if the speed is exceeded over 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes solid. It will then jump out of valet mode. When it goes back to the workshop, switched off and try and start it, won't be able to start it unless you've got the code. So now I'm actually going to start it again without putting the code in. There you go.